Google Earth just busted India's claim the Udhampur air base was hit, and the evidence is there for everyone to see. A recent satellite image dated May 17 has surfaced showing clear signs of structural damage at India's strategic Udhampur Air Force Station. This directly contradicts that India's earlier claims that the base remained unharmed, and for weeks Indian officials maintained that the installation was safe. But the imagery tells a different story. The damage is visible and the date stamp confirms it's recent. So if the base wasn't hit, what explains the destruction captured from space? The imagery raises uncomfortable question that New Delhi hasn't answered. But why the denial when evidence is now public? This isn't just about satellite photos, it's about credibility. When a nation insists nothing happened but visual proof emerges, trust takes a hit. Military analysts are now questioning that what else might have been concealed, and India has yet to respond to those findings. But the silence is speaking volumes. For now, the imagery stands as undeniable evidence, and the ball is in India's court.
A major development from the Capital Development Authority has put occupants of the government flats in Sector G6 in Islamabad on notice. The authority has issued eviction notices to all residents without legal entitlement, directing them to vacate the premises within 7 days. According to CDA, the action is being taken in compliance with multiple court rulings, including decisions of the Islamabad High Court and the Supreme Court of Pakistan in ongoing related proceedings. The notice states that illegal occupants of the G6 sector flats have no legal basis to continue possession. A joint survey by the CDA and State Office found that most of the 200 flats are currently occupied by police officers, while others are in possession of various government employees and private individuals. The CDA has warned that if the flats are not vacated within the deadline, eviction will be carried out without further notice and the matter will be proceeded strictly under applicable laws and regulations.